Michael, you brought up Luigi, the son of Fabio. He testified, and yeah, even talking about her demeanor there. At first, she was all smiles when he first got on the stand, but then he started talking about some situations where, you know, he noticed something about a grocery store worker and possibly she liked somebody and all this stuff, and she wasn't too happy then.
Yeah. Listen, so when we're in law school, they'd always tell us, hey, listen, when you don't have to prove motive, but you know, when you have a life insurance policy, for example, or when you have an affair, one of those two, then all of a sudden motive becomes clear. In this case, you have both, and it's almost like this case is a caricature of what they tell us in law school. We're not going to test you on because it's too easy. It's just way too easy to tell you that this person died all of a sudden, and then the spouse had a life insurance policy and had an affair. It's too easy. We're not going to give you that fact pattern. You can go ahead and read about that in your case books. But at the end of the day, we're going to give you more difficult fact patterns for you to ferret through. So here, this woman, her alleged conduct is a caricature of the alleged conduct of any criminal who would put to death a loved one. And then again, you have Luigi Sementilli coming in, and she was nice and she was emotional when he started, and then she changed. I'm not a doctor. Maybe she has a personality disorder. I have no idea. Like, this woman is off. She's not a well-adjusted person. But again, I could see why the state hates her, because they know her. They know the type of person she is. They've been watching her text messages and phone calls when she's in jail. They've been looking at her manipulation of Baker, the co-conspirator, alleged co-conspirator. So they know who she is, and they detest this woman, and they detest the fact that she might get off and walk the streets and then smile at everybody and then have money.
And they want this jury to detest her as well. Michael Jaafar, stand by. We are going to take a break.